BJP's controversial move to felicitate Muzaffarnagar hate-mongers has triggered a massive row. Despite opposition from all quarters, the BJP has already given Sangeet Som and Suresh Rana a virtual clean sheet and is all set to honour them, in fact, at a rally in Agra on Thursday. As BJP arrogantly plays its communal card, the UP government has decided to approach the judiciary.
BJP MLA Sangeet Som is facing serious charges of inciting the recent communal violence in Muzaffarnagar, where 62 people were killed. With his party deciding to honour him at a rally on Thursday, Sangeet Som claims he has nothing to answer for.
एक मुकदमा ये किया था कि मैंने भड़काऊ भाषण दिया। दूसरा मुकदमा इन्होंने दर्ज किया था कि मैंने एक विवादित जो सीडी थी वो अपलोड की अपने यहाँ, लेकिन ये दोनों गलत है, ये एक का भी प्रूफ नहीं दे पाए।
But the Samajwadi Party has challenged the BJP MLA's claims, saying that his name has not been cleared yet.
And Mr. Sangeet Som is wrongly misleading the people by saying no material has been produced. A charge sheet is filed in the competent court with all the material. And at the appropriate stage, when the charge sheet is filed, he'll come to know about the doctored videos that were put on Facebook and the CDs that were circulated by him.
And Sangeet Som is not alone. Another BJP MLA, Suresh Rana, is also facing similar charges of inciting communal tensions 2 months ago. But despite that, the BJP is desperately trying to defend them.
I'm celebrating that government and the surrogates who believe in communalizing the election, who believe in communal polity, their cases are falling flat.
And now the Congress has hit out at the BJP, accusing it of trying to communalize the Muzaffarnagar riots.
I am amazed at the incomprehensible arrogance of the Bharatiya Janata Party.
And they have the audacity now to go ahead and facilitate them. It shows and is reflective of their communal agenda.
If these two men actually end up sharing stage with Narendra Modi on Thursday, it could seriously undermine BJP's development plank. Bureau Report, Times Now.